How to replace the backrest pad on a Human Touch Novo XT, XT2, XT Pro, or XT Pro SE massage chair. To get started, power off the chair, then unplug it. Pull up on the head pillow and headrest pad to detach them from the chair. Unzip the front of the backrest pad from the foot and calf massager upholstery. If you're working on a Novo XT Pro with a serial number that begins with RT1322 or higher, or a Novo XT Pro SE, open the zipper on each side that secures the backrest pad to the side panel. Lift up on the front of the backrest pad to expose the two inner zippers, which run up each side of the chair. Open both zippers. Unzip the backrest pad from the top of the backrest. On the right-hand side of the chair, pull the backrest pad out of the way to expose the 3 hoses. While firmly grasping the hose coming from the chair, so that the fitting stays installed in the hose, pull firmly on the backrest pad hose to detach it from the fitting. Disconnect the 3 hoses from the left-hand side of the backrest pad, again making sure the fittings stay installed in the hoses coming from the chair. Turn the heater cable lock to open it, then disconnect the heater cables. You can now remove the backrest pad from the chair. Now, let's replace it. Place the new backrest pad into position. On the left-hand side of the pad, connect the heater cables, then turn the connector lock to secure it. Connect the 3 hoses on the left-hand side of the pad to the corresponding hoses from the chair, matching by number. Be sure to install each hose all the way onto the fitting. You will need to reach your hand down between the side panel and the chair frame to locate the hoses coming from the chair. Connect the 3 hoses on the right-hand side of the pad, matching the hoses by number. Make sure each hose is installed all the way onto the fitting. Zip the top of the backrest pad to the top of the backrest. Attach one of the backrest pad side zippers to the chair near the top of the backrest, then close the zipper all the way down to the center front of the backrest pad. Repeat this step to attach the other side of the pad to the chair. If you're working on a Novo XT Pro with a serial number that begins with RT1322 or higher, or a Novo XT Pro SE, zip the backrest pad to the side panel on each side. Be sure to completely close each zipper. Zip the front of the backrest pad to the foot and calf massager. Attach the headrest pad and head pillow to the backrest. Finally, plug in the chair, power it on, and you're done.